just spent several hours in Menards, and guess how much money we spent?
Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Amanda, and this is Caleb, and we are a husband and wife team from Ohio who just bought their very first flip home. Come and join us as we document the process of demoing, designing, and building a beautiful home together. We are so glad that you are here.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new around here, my name's Amanda, and this is Caleb, and we are in the process of flipping our first home. So also, if you're new and you have not yet subscribed, you should probably do that, and that would mean the world to us. So today we're up to something really fun, but before we get into that, I'll do a little recap of kind of where we are in the process of the flip home. Caleb's been absolutely killing it. He's gotten basically everything out of the house that needs out.
Except that little bathroom.
Except the little bathroom, but that's...
But I'm worried about that, like, dead last.
Yeah, he'll figure that out later. He's put a new window in the front. He's gotten the deck off the back. Anyway, he's doing really great. He got a lot accomplished so far. And then we also have the electrician out there. The plumber's coming tomorrow. We had the HVAC guy come out, and he said everything was good, so that saved us a ton of money, which we were so thankful for. So anyway, everything's going really smoothly over there right now, and today we are headed to Menards to go design the kitchen, which I am very, very excited about. Are you ready to go spend a ton of money?
That's the thing, you don't know how much it's gonna be, because once we get our cabinets all set, then we need to decide. Quartz would be nicer, like if we're gonna sell it, even if we're gonna live there, quartz would be nice. But I don't know how expensive that's gonna be.
Yeah. So yeah, let's just be. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and just be open about our budget. We have $11,000 to spend on this kitchen, and so that includes cabinets, appliances, and countertops.
I'm hoping the cabinets will be like 5 or 6. And then that would mean countertops. I'm thinking if we go quartz, I'm thinking they'll be like, for the big slab on the island and stuff, it might be like 3,000 or something.
Yeah. I honestly have no idea. I've never bought something like this. So I have no idea if $11,000 is reasonable, if it's like extra, or if it's not nearly enough. So
that much space.
So we will see.
But we're passing Menards now because we gotta go to Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, we're gonna grab some lunch real fast because we're hungry and we don't want to do this on an empty belly. So yeah, everything's going super smoothly. We have our little like layout of the kitchen, and we kind of have an idea of what we want to order. But we're hoping that a lady that we know works there, and we hope she's working right now so she can kind of help us plan everything out to make sure we don't miss anything. But yeah, this is the fun part. I feel like this is where we're kind of going from that old yucky gross house to the new house and making it pretty and livable again. So
yeah, it's always more fun when you're putting stuff back in, because then it feels like new.
Yeah. Yep.
Right now it still feels a little dirty.
Yep. So that's what we're up to today, and we'll take you guys along. Also, while we're at Menards, we can look at paint colors for the interior and exterior of the house. And there's a few other things that we can pick up. Did you say we could look at getting like the toilet, the bathtub?
I don't know if we'll do all that today because we gotta max out the card at Menards and then pay it off and then max it out. Oh, not max it out.
We probably should just pay cash, but...
No, I get 2% rebate on all this stuff.
Yeah, that is a way that we're really saving money, is by shopping at Menards, because you get the 2% rebate on the contractor card and then also the 11% rebate.
And we've had almost $1,000 in rebates.
Yeah, so that's a huge way to save money.
Very nice.
Yes. Yep. So, but yeah, we can look at paint colors and stuff.
I think the outside's just gonna be white, right?
Yeah, so outside of the house, we're kind of thinking we want to just paint the brick white and then do the black shutters with like the wood front door. Interior, we're not exactly sure, but we found some pretty paint colors on Pinterest. But we're kind of thinking like an off-whitish, like leaning more towards gray. We don't want tan or anything like that.
Gray is just hard. You have to get like a dark gray, or it's just hard to find like a true gray. Because You don't know how it's gonna look in the light there.
Sometimes it can look purpley and things.
Mm-hmm.
Or blue or something. So anyway, we will try to find some paint colors, and we are going pretty neutral with this just because it is a flip house, and since we don't plan to live there, we don't want to make it
like crazy colors here and there.
Yeah, and we don't really want to make it exactly what we would want it if we were going to live there, just because we want it to appeal to more people. So,
and I think like an off-white it looks really nice, like
yeah,
with the floor and stuff.
Yep. So that is our plan. We'll see you there. Okay, we're checking out some different types of countertops. Our cabinet's been a little bit over budget, so we're deciding what kind of countertops we want to do. If we want to go quartz or maybe a step down to try to save some money. Okay, we just spent several hours in Menards, and guess how much money we spent? $10,000. Yikes.
No countertops either.
Yeah, that is not including countertops. So we did go over budget, so we got all the cabinets and all the appliances, but
which is pretty good still.
Yeah, yeah, we're over budget on the kitchen, but we do feel like the kitchen is where we need to spend the most money because that's what sells houses. So obviously we need to find other places that we can save money, which we have on like the flooring and stuff. We have saved money in other areas, so that's good, but still not good to spend that much money. Yeah, it was fun though. Are you happy with everything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we just need to get a bunch more done so we can get those and put them in.
Yeah.
And then figure out the countertops.
We have an idea of the countertops, like what we want to get and stuff. And we got a price estimate on that. So we're pretty sure we know what we want, but I think we're gonna wait and get all the cabinets in and double and triple measure everything before we order. We're gonna order quartz, which will be really nice and pretty. That's crazy that we just spent $10,000.
That's the most I've spent there, I think.
Yeah, it's a lot. But we feel good. And I think they'll be all in. I think she said they'll be in like a week, which is like perfect because this gives time for the electricians and the plumbers to get out, and then Caleb can start doing all the drywall and stuff. So, and then next step is paint.
Yeah, painting.
And
once everything's painted, then I could do the floor.
Yeah, then the floors can go in. So,
which really I could do the floors as long as I paint trim and stuff with the sprayer and the ceilings, prime the walls, then I could do I could just roll them, like paint and roll the walls.
Yeah, so we're making progress. He's doing really good. So we did just talk about though that our first like mortgage payment is due in like less than a week, and that makes
stressed me out.
That completely stressed Caleb out. So we are hoping that we can get the house done, I would say, in October, and listed in October is our goal. But I don't know if realistically that's going to happen. So we'll see. We will keep you guys updated. I kind of forgot to show you guys like the layout of the kitchen and things, so I'll show you that. This is like the little paperwork that they sent with us. So this is the walls, and this is a little island. We have like a pantry, the fridge. These are all just like countertops, cabinets, sink. Then we have dishwasher, stove. So everything's in there. It's gonna look really, really pretty. That's like one of the walls with all the cabinet or the pantry space around the fridge. And then this is the other wall with the window, dishwasher, sink. So honestly, it looks very beautiful. And we jokingly said that we're gonna end up making this house so nice and pretty that we're gonna end up wanting to live there. But the plan is still to sell it once we're done. So if anyone is looking for a house, then you should send us a message, because probably hopefully end of October, beginning of November, we will be listing this house on the market. So
Yeah. Hopefully.
that's the plan anyway. So okay, so it's a few days after our little Menards trip. We are actually here at the flip house today, and we are going to be working on some of the landscaping stuff and getting some of these old bushes and things out. We are actually kind of at a standstill on the interior of the house because the plumber came a couple days ago and he worked for a full day, and then he didn't finish everything he needed to, and then he was like, well, I actually can't come back until next week, which is kind of a bummer because that kind of slows down our timeline because Caleb can't start any of the drywall and things until the plumbing is all fixed and back. So we thought it might be a good idea to start. We're gonna remove like that giant bush tree thing and then some bushes there. We got this weird thing out here we're gonna try to take out just to clean up and like make it look a little bit neater out here. We do have a couple of little helpers today. We have helper number one.
Inside. I'll carry
We have helper number two. Addie, you want to go look on the inside of the house?
Yeah.
Hey, giant hole in the floor, so
Okay, don't fall into the hole.
don't step on this edge either. Right here, it's a little squishy.
Whoa, what do you think?
Oh.
This is crazy.
Look.
Down there.
Oh my
that's the-
gosh, the lights.
That's
Oh,
the
they look
garage.
so good.
Here's
I like that
these,
green.
or this one. And then this is on a two-way switch, one here, and then the other one is right here.
That is awesome.
Oh, and then these
Oh, that
are
looks
just
so
on this. Hey, you don't fall in the hole either.
Okay, I'll try not to fall in the hole. Look at that.
See how bright it is in here?
Yeah, they had, or Caleb had the electrician put in some recessed lightings in the family room and the living room, and it is so much brighter and nicer in here already than what it was. So it's looking absolutely amazing. And also we have this little thing right here. We decided, we were initially gonna put laundry like through the bathroom kind of here, but that ate so much of the kitchen space. We decided that we would put maybe like a little closet area, which the washer and dryer hookups and everything will go in here. So I thought that was just kind of a better spot for it. But I can't believe how nice and bright it is. It looks amazing. You're killing it. You're doing great.
Yeah.
What's down there?
Oh, and the window.
Yeah.
The window. Last time, the old broken crazy window, he took out and put the new one in. Anyway, we're gonna go head outside
inside.
and start getting all these bushes and crazy plants out. So it's looking super amazing.
Wait, keep on.
Yeah, all that like tall
Yeah,
grass.
watch this. Watch this big shovel.
Good job, Harpy. Are you getting that dirt and stuff up?
See, look at that.
Thanks for your help.
Any worms?
No?
You gonna check for some worms?
Roly polies.
There's one.
Little buds. I'm gonna try ripping these bushes out. Because that's the goal today, right?
Yeah. I think it's a great goal. I'll help.
Hey, this shovel's here.
I got this
You
one.
want it?
Okay. I'll start helping Addie and Harpy over here. Are you gonna help dig, Harper?
I got that roly
You're gonna get the roly-poly? Okay. This is so cute.
Cool.
You can help Sissy dig. Oh, what did you get?
Roly poly.
That's awesome. Nice job.
Alright.
Oh, thank you. Good job, guys.
Hi. Hi.
Hey, girl. Are you watching me?
Yeah.
Hooked it around there.
Hi.
Hey, girl. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Okay. Pull it out of there. Pull hard. Pull hard. Pull your hardest.
don't know if you can hear me because of the noise, but Caleb's working on getting these bushes out, and he just got this out. I'm gonna work on getting some of this other stuff around here, just trying to get it all cleared out, and it already looks a million times better. So just a little bit of an update. We have gotten all of the bushes and all of the plants. Well, he's finishing up the last little bit of plants that are on the house or by the house. He's working on getting all those out, and that's probably all we're gonna do for today, but it makes a huge difference in just the look of the house. I'll show you guys. So much more open, so much better. We'll get some mulch and like, I don't know exactly what we're gonna do yet, but we'll make it look better than it was, and that's the goal. So girls are getting a little restless, so we'll probably have to head home pretty soon. Addie's doing some tricks.
Hi.
Show us your tricks. Wow, look at that trick. Yeah, it's looking incredible, and I guess this is probably the end of today's video, but if you want to keep up with updates, just yeah, keep watching, and thank you guys for your support. Bye.